Have you ever wondered what other people take to Disney? Are you an overpacker? Are you not packing enough? Would you like to see what I pack? Well, today on Walt Disney World Adults Only, I'll show you. Welcome, your Royal Highnesses. I'm Carol, and you're watching Walt Disney World Adults Only. I am packing for a trip for tomorrow, a 7-day trip to Disney, and I'm leaving out of very, very snowy, can you see my backyard here? Snowy upstate New York. So I need to be prepared, and I am a little bit of an overpacker. I pack differently if I have a direct flight than a layover. I could not find a direct flight at all anywhere, checking 3 cities, 3 hours one way, an hour and a half the other way, and an hour the other way. Could not find a direct flight. So I'm changing at JFK, so there's a very good chance that my checked luggage might not make it. I leave at about 3 o'clock tomorrow morning, so I want to make sure that I have everything I need. Are you ready? Let's see what I think is essential. So let's start with my carry-on. Now my carry-on, I'm going to make sure that I have enough stuff to get me through a couple days if my luggage does get lost. Now, I love packing cubes. If you've never used a packing cube, these things are amazing. So I have a cover-up, bathing suit, a dress, a couple pair of shorts, pajamas, and a couple of t-shirts. In this one right here contains all my socks and underwear for my entire trip. So I have that here. Now, I'm going with another family, and it's going to be their first time. They actually asked me to come along as a tour guide, so I want to decorate the room. Now, staying at Pop, they've got those huge windows, so I've got some mini lights, I've got some hooks to hook them up, and on this side here, I've got an extra pair of ears just in case. I've got some stickers so that if any other Walt Disney World adult-only members come across me, I have some stickers to give away. I don't drink coffee, so this is my morning beverage. On this side, I have my knapsack ready to go. Normally, I take the really cheap rain jackets, but there's like a 65% chance of rain when I get there. So I'm going to take this heavy jacket here. So I've got my sandals because I'm obviously wearing heavy boots in this weather. And then I've got some other things to decorate the windows. Now in my personal item bag, I've got the case for the camera that I'm using right now. I also have another camera in here because this doesn't have a big zoom on it, but my other one does. So, you know, Safari is my favorite, and so I would like to get some zoom pictures there. I have all my chargers in this little bag here. I've got the liquids, eye drops, hand lotion. I've got a little thing of hand sanitizer. Being optimistic, I have some sunscreen, deodorant, toothpaste. So if my big luggage gets lost, I'm good to go for a couple days. I'm also going to pack some food. I am going to pack a couple masks just because it might get very crowded on the buses or whatever. I've got a little headband thanks to Courtney. I'll take that with me. But this is one of the most important things I bring. It's a luggage scale. So when we go to my big suitcase, I want to make sure that I don't have to pay extra for luggage. Now you're going to laugh when we get to my big suitcase. So my carry-on is pretty full. As I said, I've got some extra things for decorating. If I wasn't staying at Pop, I wouldn't take those things. It's only a 7-day trip. Most people probably could fit everything between their carry-on and their personal item for a 7-day trip in warm weather. But let's see what I have in my big checked bag. Again, I have another packing cube. I am going to the Christmas party, so I have a dress for the Christmas party, a sweatshirt that's Christmas oriented. I have some t-shirts, another bathing suit, a couple more dresses, and a couple more t-shirts and another pair of shorts in here. I have another pair of shoes in here and another pair of sandals, changing shoes out often. Oh, by the way, look at my Disney nails. I just got those done. Aren't they adorable? So that iridescent color, that's part of the 50th. Again, this has taken up a lot of space. They're squishy. I could squish stuff down. But again, decorations for the room for that family that's never been there before. Now, in this smaller packing cube, another decoration, but I have the stuff that I hope I don't ever have to take out. My cold weather attire here. So I can leave this just in this packing cube in my suitcase. I have it if I need it, but if not, I don't even have to take it out of the suitcase. So that's half the stuff. What else could there be? Well, I like to come prepared. So I have a box of Sauvignon Blanc. The beauty of this is on the return trip, this will be empty and this weighs quite a bit, so I will have room for any souvenirs I buy, and I probably will not have to worry anything about the weight restrictions. Some more plush to decorate the room, some clips to attach my other set of lights around the curtains, and this is how I transport my ears. And yes, I do have quite a collection of ears. I've got a few extra masks. I also have my earrings in here, my Disney earrings. I've got a couple containers of those. And then if I'm feeling frisky, I might want to put some tattoos on. I don't have any real tattoos, but these are sort of fun and they wash off. So that's how I pack all my ears in one of these 12 by 12 art bins, so they stay really, really safe. What am I missing? My cosmetics bag. So I have long hair, so if I'm going in the pool, I want to make sure I have a clip. And then just in case the wine wasn't enough, I have a couple bottles of bourbon cream as well. So I think I'm pretty well packed. I do have a couple of other decorations that I'll put in the room. This is actually a cutting board, so this will have a dual purpose if we're preparing any food in the room or anything like that. I've got a cutting board, and then I just thought this was adorable. It's sort of a holographic little display. So my room will be well decorated. As long as the suitcase doesn't get lost, I think I'm pretty good as far as my trip goes. So sorry about the darkness with that bright light behind me. It's sort of hard to see some of my images, and you don't need to see my face anyways. Notice I'm not wearing ears because they're all packed in that container. So this is what I bring to Disney. Do you bring anything different? Do you have any suggestions for me to make my life easier? I think I'm set. Of course, at about 2:30 tomorrow morning, I'll be up going, oh my God, I forgot this. What about this? I have my wallet, I have my Disney gift cards, I have my Kindle, I have my phone. I think I'm good to go. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. We really appreciate that. If you have not subscribed to our Walt Disney World Adults Only YouTube channel, please join us. We have many, many videos that will help you, I can't talk because I'm so excited I'm going to Disney, that will help you enjoy your adult only trip to the fullest. If you're not a member of our Adult Only Facebook group, please join us there, because that's where we continue these adult-only discussions. And you can ask all the questions you want. Someone will have an answer for you. Probably conflicting answers, but you'll get an answer. And last but not least, never grow up.